Well, just got out of the store and I got that light right there. Hold on. Shut up. Oh my god. And yeah, I'm gonna post a picture of my tire right here. Yeah, so I got a huge freaking nail in my tire. It's actually probably, this is the second nail I've had on these tires. So I don't remember which side I had it on, if it was the front or the rear or which side, but this is the second time I've had a flat on these set of tires. So it's really pissing me off. Basically, I'm gonna have to get that patched, but sadly it's a Saturday, so tomorrow I only think Discount Tire is open. So I'm gonna flip you guys around. So basically the only option, oh my, I'm just turning it off. Basically the only option I have is I'm gonna see if it runs out of air while I'm at my girlfriend's house, because I'm going there right now. I'm gonna see if the tire deflates completely. If it does, I'm gonna swap my spare on to that corner, that wheel, and I'm going to go to Discount Tire tomorrow because I think they're open on Sundays. I know there's one shop around here that's open on Sundays, so that's good. I'm gonna just go there, and I think they have like free tire plugs that they do it for you. They don't even have to take off. They don't even have to take off the actual tire, which is good. I mean, I could probably just do it myself. At this point, I just have to buy the actual tool to do it. But basically, throughout this whole, like, I think like a few days now, like 3 or 4 days, I've heard like a ticking noise on this side of the car. So like, you guys probably can't hear that, but I can hear it. And I've just been like, oh, it's probably a rock, because I work in a place where it's like gravel. Like the cement is just so like screwed up that it's just all gravel. It's like rocks, and I was like, it probably just got into the treads and it's like hitting while I'm driving. No big deal. I should try patching it myself, actually. Yeah, I might actually try that. My car's gonna look so goofy with a spare. Oh boy, it's gonna look so bad. Oh well, it'll only be for like a day or two max, hopefully. If I can't patch, then I'll just have to get it patched by like Discount Tire or something. Yeah, so I'll see you guys whenever we go to O'Reilly's. See ya. I need to get a hat, hold on, because my hair is very bad. Well, no hat, so you guys are dealing with my hood up, like you care. But I got a flat, so that's not fun. So when was the last time I filmed? Yesterday. It was through my phone, so this is through my camera. So yeah. I'm gonna finally use the new jack, and this is a cluster mess, but what do I need? I could use a light, but I don't want to. Where's my mini light? I could use a light right now. Can't find one. Yo, where are all my lights? Alright, well, I'm gonna just grab everything and move it outside, so enjoy. Nice. Into the darkness we go. That's making a lot of noise. I'm gonna carry. I gotta grab my. and everything. Let's get this jacked out. See this? Gotta pop off this center piece right here. Don't forget about this thing. Let's roll this inside. Okay. Let's see, where's the sucker? Oh yeah, look at that sucker. Alrighty, so to test your nail if it's leaking, you take some liquid, anything, water, and spray it down and see if it's bubbling, basically. So mine isn't, and I'm losing air in this tire, so I don't know why, but this might be the cause of it. So I'm gonna yank this boy out right here with something. I don't know what yet though. Get yourself a flathead like this and just pry it up. Oh, yep, you can hear it now. Oh yeah. So as you can see, this is my first time doing this, or trying to plug it by myself. I should have probably prepped the toolkit so I'm not losing a lot of air. But this is the toolkit. Probably can hear it sizzling out. You take this bad boy right here, and you gotta clean the hole out so it's nice and clean. Then you take this and your gooey looking things right here. I'm gonna read the instructions again. This tire plug instruction. You clean it, you put this in there for insert needle with repair plug until a little more, a little less. Okay, that's about centered. Now I'm gonna pull this thing out. Okay, I can't get it now. I probably won't get it on the first try. Well, I might. So, okay. That's a big hole, sir. Okay, well. I mean, I could have plugged it with that. I think I made it bigger, but. Wow. Okay, hold on. Stand it up right here. I'm gonna need to push this. I might want to fill this up a little because this is really deflated. That might be why. Whoa. Yeah, there's no air in this tire. Zero. I'm sweating a little. Battery's about to die, but I have extra, so. I know I'm gonna get hate that I'm doing something. What the heck? Okay, let's get it. Come on. Look. Like, that's a good good amount in, I think. I'm gonna keep going until, I don't know, I think it's pretty similar to that picture. Alright, I'm gonna keep going though. What if I go like this? Huh. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Yeah, that's definitely good. Look at this. Hell yeah. That's way better. Now the thing is, try and take it out. Alright. Everybody watching, gotta do it really quick. Oh yeah. Oh dude, that's golden. Tell me that is not golden. Plugged my own tire. That's awesome. Alright. I'm gonna snip this off now with this. It's not working, so I wasn't expecting it to work. Alright, well, hopefully that holds. And this doesn't come shooting out at like 100 miles an hour or whatever. Alright, swap batteries, and we're all good. Hopefully, the tire's gonna be holding good. I gotta fill it up a little more. I don't have my tire pressure gauge with me here. Yeah, I'm gonna go put this tire on. Also, just found out some news that I have chosen the wheels I'm getting, and they are the NewSpeed RSE 102. I'm purchasing them from Adrian from GRD Tuned, which also news is that I heard that they won Best APR Dealer or something. Dealer Summit 2018 Vanguard Award. So, not sure exactly what that means, but I'm guessing that it's that they're the best dealer in the USA or something, possibly. So, yeah, congrats to Adrian and the team at GRD Tuned. They are awesome. They've been awesome to me. And, yeah, congratulations on the award. I cannot wait to put the order in for my wheels. So that goes back to what I first started talking about, was the wheels. I'm getting the NewSpeed RSE 102 wheels, 102, in 19x9 with an offset of 40. Question before I order them: what color should I go with? I'm leaning mainly towards black, but there's black, silver, and bronze. I'm having trouble freaking deciding what color. I'm not a black wheel kind of person. I'm more of a, I want to see them in pictures. I don't want to be special editing for black wheels. I just want to, I don't know, I just like silver wheels. But then there comes in bronze, which not a huge fan. I haven't seen the NewSpeed wheels in bronze in person. I've seen the black, I've seen the silver. They're just normal colors. But the bronze I haven't, so I don't know if it's like flaky, like will it pop, will it look more darker, is it more brownish, I don't know. So, help me decide before I put the order in. I've already put it on the Facebook page, so if you're part of the Facebook page, you already saw my poll that I put on there. If you're not part of the Facebook page, find it on Facebook, or if not, I'll link the Facebook page down below. It's an awesome 8V group that we have on that page. Hope you guys enjoyed this video of me getting this stupid tire patched up. You know, you guys will learn something. I learned something, that I can patch tires pretty easily. It's nothing complicated, and why spend time and money possibly, because some places charge like 20, 25 bucks to patch tires, which is insane when that kit cost me $10. Anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe down below, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace!